Welcome. In this video session, let us understand hydrotropism. First, let us define the term hydrotropism. Hydro means water. Growth of roots or movement of roots towards the source of water is hydrotropism. Growth or movement of roots. Movement of roots towards the source of water, towards water source is hydrotropism. Now let us prove how roots grow towards the source of water. So to perform this activity, let us understand what are the materials required. Materials. The materials required are beakers. Two beakers. Moist soil. Moist soil. Dry soil. Dry soil. A small clay pot. A small clay pot. 2 healthy bean seeds. 2 bean seeds. 2 healthy bean seeds. And water. And water. Now let us understand the procedure to perform the activity to prove hydrotropism. Take 2 beakers. Beaker 1 and beaker 2. Taking 2 beakers. 2 beakers 1 and 2. Fill beaker 1, half of the beaker 1 with dry soil, remaining half with moist soil. So filling half of beaker 1 with dry soil and remaining half of beaker 1 should be filled with moist soil. Moist soil as shown in the diagram. Then fill the beaker 2 completely with moist soil. Filling beaker 2 with only moist soil. With only moist soil. And in the moist soil of beaker 1, keep a small clay pot with water. So keeping clay pot with water in the moist soil of beaker 1. Then take 2 healthy bean seeds and sow the seeds in the dry soil of beaker 1 and in the moist soil of beaker 2. Sowing bean seeds. Sowing bean seeds. In beaker 1, sow the bean seed in the dry soil. And in the beaker 2, sow the seed in the moist soil. Leave this apparatus undisturbed for 1 week. Then after seeds germinate, let us understand. Leave this apparatus undisturbed for a week, and after a week, let us observe what happens. In beaker 1, roots grow towards moist soil. See, we have sown the seed in beaker 1 in dry soil. As the soil is dry, roots grow towards the moist soil. the soil is moist here because from clay pot water percolates into moist soil and makes the soil moist. Therefore, roots grow towards the source of water. This is what is hydrotropism. And here in beaker 2, as the complete soil is moist, roots grow towards downwards. That is geotropism. Geotropism, towards gravitational force, roots grow. And in beaker 2, roots don't show any curvature. It means roots don't bend because the complete soil is moist. Roots grow towards gravity. And in beaker 1, roots bend towards moist soil because soil is moist. For the growth of plant, moisture is required, water is required. So to absorb water, roots grow towards the source of water. And observation, let us write. In beaker 1, roots grow towards water, and roots show curvature. Curvature means roots bend towards moist soil. And in beaker B and in beaker second, roots grow towards gravity. Roots grow towards gravity. Don't show any curvature. So let us conclude. Conclusion. Based on this experiment, we can conclude that roots grow towards the source of water. So for the growth of plants, water is required. So here the stimulus is source of water. The response is growth of roots towards the source of water. So that is what is hydrotropism.